Mama ran to the store because I'm gonna make pickles today. Yeah, look how green.
Wow.
You guys recognize this? Recognize where we are? We're gonna bust a covert flyby of the old house. All right, here comes.
Holy crap!
Here comes the flyby.
Look, they did the roses all nice and pretty.
Uh-huh.
Oh, looks good.
Yeah, it looks real good actually.
That looks awesome. I don't know they haven't taken that thing down yet.
Don't know, but the yard looks nice.
They trimmed everything.
Yeah.
They kept all the rose bushes. They trimmed back the big monster.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
That looks
that's
really nice.
good.
Looky, looky. Ooh, spicy. Ooh, garlicky and dilly, willy-nilly dilly. Here's my pickling spice stuff. Liquid, I guess that's the spice. I don't do pickling spice, but yeah, don't like it.
Yeah, it's too sweet.
That's way too sweet. Like cardamom and cinnamon and stuff. Yeah, nope. So I came up with my own recipe. There they be. Well, almost. I gotta let them cool and then top the jar the rest of the way off because it'll absorb some and get some of the air pockets out and whatnot. But yeah, it's celery seed, some peppercorns, some dried Thai chilies, garlic, salt, sugar, vinegar, water, a little bit of turmeric, and I think that's it. Salt, sugar, I think I said that. There they are. They look good. It tastes really good too. Lots of dill. Yeah, I'll put a big chunk of dill on the top. So once I seal it, I'll shake it up a little bit. But there she goes. Our first jar of the year. That was 3 cucumbers. 3 of those pickling cucumbers filled that jar up, packed perfectly. Awesome. There's the finished product. Look at all that swirly, twirly goodness going on in there. Oh, there's peppercorn. Lots of dill, celery seed, and there's garlic, and some dried Thai chilies in the top. Hopefully that'll permeate and sift down. It's filled up to the rimmy brim. So, I'm excited. These will keep for 2 to 3 months. And as your liquid goes down, just add more vinegar to keep them. A little vinegar and water. And I tasted just some of the pickling mix. Oh, they're gonna be good. Day number 2. Pray for us. Over there. Quiet. Marshall's gonna sneak up on his envelope. Shh, go slow. Oh, I think he sees you. Hey, look, poop. So we stocked up before we left the house to go to the pool and got some carrots. Now we're gonna call the horsies over and see if they'll eat some.
Nay.
Oh, here they come.
Turn. Snack. Go back. Good boy.
We got another one for you.
I know, I didn't bring it up.
It's okay.
He's not gonna hurt you, honey.
Wait, Snack.
You got cactus in your nose.
Come here. That's why you can snack. Snack, crackle.
Snap. Snap, crackle, and pop.
Okay. Walk over here.
Wait.
Give her another one. I'll give him. He gets one more than everybody else gets. Come over here.
There you go, buddy.
These are beautiful, beautiful horses.
That's
Come here, you
it.
got cactus
It's all
in your
done.
nose. Come here.
Hi.
Cactus in your nose. Pretty
All
horses,
gone.
huh?
Who's the pretties? Aren't you pretty? All gone.
Oh, you got the scratchy? Huh? The scratchy?
Congrats.
I can't get that on my own, woman.
No.
Let me get that out of your nose. There you go. Huh? That feel better? You trying to bite him?
They're persnickety. No, I don't think he'll probably eat it.
Hooked Marshall up with a little chicken quesadilla and some yellow rice, and that's some sour cream salsa dipping sauce. Sauce. Some sauce. And I'm grilling me and Mama hot dogs. Hold on. Better. There's nothing I like better than a day at the pool, and then hot dogs on the grill, sunshine, thunderstorm rumbling off in the distance, but it's sunny right here. Very sunny. Dog lounging in the grass. She needs mowed again, dang it. And yeah, just hanging out, having Mama home on a Sunday. And kicking it, man, family style. This weird weed growing in my backyard. Be danged if that don't look like corn. A couple of them. Curious. And tell me that's not classic Americana lunchtime. Chili cheese, slaw dogs, ruffled potato chips. Freaking deliciousness.
Big bird up there with him.
There's only 2 today, though. Damn, those are big.
I just heard the sound.
Big old storm they just came through.
It's going a different way. Come quick! That's crazy. I wonder what they're doing.
I don't know, must have been some kind of exercise this weekend.
That is so cool.
I can't see.
I know, it's very quick. From outside, from inside. Things are gigantic. So it's like 6, huh? I saw today.
Me and Mama tried the pickles. They've been in there about 4 hours. Already soaking up a lot of flavor, but we decided they weren't quite spicy enough, so I added some crushed red pepper you can see floating around in there. I was going to pierce those Thai chilies I've got in there, but Mama's afraid that'll make them too hot. So we'll let them set a few days before I think I'll let them set a couple of few days before I try them again. But we tasted them. They're really good.
Very good.
Yep, salty, a little underlying sweetness, good dill flavor, and those are just going to get better. We rode just around the corner from our individual neighborhood back to the fancy schmancy houses, these great big huge monster homes. And then we rode across here to a completely empty, undeveloped section of the neighborhood. I mean, well, it's developed, it's just not built at all yet. Kind of neat. And then you get back out there to Coyote Springs out in the middle of nothing. That's Bill Williams Mountain. That's about 70 miles from here. Before, after. Woohoo! Pan full of chicken. And mashed potatoes. Well, not yet. But it will be. Hey, look. That one looks like a mushroom. We got a giant mushroom in here for you, Marshall. Huh? He's not listening. And so the monsoons are soon gone. Sorry, did I make you dizzy? Now all of a sudden we're surrounded by blue sky. We'll take it. Wow, look at that. That was beautiful. But if you think that's beautiful, that was just a reflection. There it is. Nice, huh?
Ooh, that's pretty. It doesn't even look real back there.
Pretty intense. It's just like the circus. It's intense. Ha!
Anyone in the United States?
Looks heavy.
Very heavy.
Shady, almost dark vlog. Here's a little something you guys haven't seen in a while. A little peace out. It's been a busy couple of days. We've had a good time, a good family weekend. But this vlog is over. This day is over. We're gonna veg out to a little bit of TV. Marco's brushing his teeth. Going to bed. Say goodnight to the interwebs. It's not like you guys couldn't hear it. He just didn't say it. Anyhoozle, I'm saying goodnight to the interwebs. And peace out.